Toyota Yaris 2020, 1.5-liter, dynamic force engine. The TNGA platform is built with new power, and a new generation of Toyota Yaris is officially released. Toyota officially launched a new generation of replacement models for its entry-level Toyota Yaris. The new car will be the first to introduce a new 1.5-liter dynamic force engine, in addition to the first entry-level model built with the TNGA modular platform. In addition, the new generation Yaris is also equipped with an electronic four-wheel drive system, and uses a sporty double-fork suspension system design. The new generation of Toyota Yaris has imported Toyota's latest family-style, keen-look design. The signature big mouth tank cover is designed with an L-shaped irregular fog lamp holder, plus a sharp LED headlight group. The design and bubble hood design makes the entire front face look sporty. The rear part of the car also uses a more exaggerated line design, such as the blackened tail lights that traverse the entire tail, extending all the way to the C-pillar section, creating a streamlined feel, plus a bumper with a large spoiler. The suspended two-tone roof design makes this small hatchback sporty. As for the interior, you can also see the new generation of Yaris. Introducing the latest Toyota family-style design. The floating host that is connected to the air conditioner is reminiscent of the new generation Corolla, the two-layer, two-color dashboard. The design also looks quite textured, and the double-ring design dashboard also features a large color display in the middle, a new multifunction steering wheel design, with three-piece design, and a door panel with a floating handle that looks the same overall. Dynamic and stylish, very young. It can also be seen from the official map that the new generation of Yaris also has the configuration of the head-up display. As for the electronic handbrake, it is also included in the list, but only for the top models. The new generation of Yaris is based on Toyota's proud TNGA modular platform for the GAB chassis for small cars, and Yaris is the first to use this chassis. Like other TNGA chassis, TNGA GAB has the characteristics of high rigidity and lightweight, and also has the advantage of low center of gravity. I believe that the dynamic performance of the new car should be as good as the rest of the TNGA, and this time the original factory is still a new generation of Yaris. Introduce the hanging design of double wishbone. As for the power configuration part, the new generation of Yaris will be equipped with two engines, which are 1. Newly developed 1.5-liter dynamic force natural intake engine, with direct shift CVT stepless gearbox, or 6-speed hand row. 2. 1.5-liter dynamic force plus new generation hybrid system. 3. Improved version of the 1.0-liter natural intake engine, with CVT segmentless gearbox. The official output has not been released, but according to the earlier news, the new 1.5-liter dynamic force engine, codenamed M15C, has a maximum horsepower of 118 horsepower, and a peak torque of 146 Nm, and the engine has a thermal efficiency of 40%. In addition, the original factory also introduced an electronic four-wheel drive system, called E4 for the hybrid version of the new generation Yaris. It is believed that the four-wheel drive effect is achieved after the combination of the electric motor. As for the safety equipment, it is also new, because this time the original factory introduced an advanced parking assist system called Advanced Park for the new generation of Yaris, which is the first in the entry model, and not only that, but the original factory also introduced the latest Toyota Safety Sense as an advanced active safety system with more turns to detect pedestrians and vehicles, and Yaris is the first to introduce this advanced feature. The new big change Toyota Yaris is expected to be officially unveiled at the upcoming 2019 Tokyo Motor Show.